So I recently just uploaded my latest video on ChatGPT, but I don't know what I want to name the title of the video. I don't want to take the time to write the description, and I don't even want to do tags. So what do you do when you don't know what to name your video about ChatGPT? You ask ChatGPT. So I jumped on ChatGPT, and my query is going to be write a title for a YouTube video about OpenAI CEO Sam Altman calling ChatGPT incredibly limiting. Let's see. Okay, so it gives you this idea, Sam Altman slams ChatGPT in new YouTube video. Now, a lot of times I don't use the title that's generated by ChatGPT, but at least this gives me a little bit of an idea. So let's say I wanted to use this title. What I'm going to do now is use this to generate the description. So I just said at the bottom, write a video description for the video, Sam Altman slams ChatGPT. Let's see what comes up. So what it generates is actually somewhat accurate. It doesn't, the original tweet that I'm referencing doesn't go as deep as this, but I may just take this and again, copy and paste it into the YouTube video description and just modify it a little bit to fit the actual video. So now the last step, I'm going to ask it to write me some YouTube tags for this video. And from here, I can then copy and paste all of these tags into my YouTube description. So this is a great tool for YouTube creators. Again, even if you don't use exactly what ChatGPT generates, you can easily take these and modify. I know a lot of times writing tags can be a little bit tedious, but using ChatGPT will at least give you some suggestions that you can use to hopefully help save you time and maybe save you a little mental energy as well. So I'm hoping that this video is going to be helpful for any YouTube creators. If you haven't checked out ChatGPT, go ahead and go to chatopenai.com and you can use this to generate your titles, descriptions, tags, and more.